So by default, the notes that you see are all white. And that is the default color for the notes inside of Google Keep. And if you want to go around and change the note color, then you can go around onto a particular note right here, and you can go around onto, let's say, background options that you see. If you were to click on the background option, then here you can see that you can go around and change out the color of the note to, let's say, for example, blue, and the note becomes blue just like that. You can also go around and change out the background to be something like a graphics right here. So instead of, let's say, certain colors, you can go around and select, let's say, a music background so that you have this particular background right here. You can go around over here onto the background, select the color right here just like this, but you can see that it is not applied onto the main note, but you can see the green background that we applied right here, right below. We can also go around over here and then have no color or have no background right here. So you can apply a certain color and you can go around and apply background to the notes, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can go around and change out the note color inside of Google Keep. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.